Germany has achieved a major milestone in armored vehicle development by successfully integrating the Trophy Active Protection System (APS) onto the Boxer 8x8 Armored Personnel Carrier (APC), marking a significant leap in survivability for wheeled combat vehicles. The integration, carried out jointly by KNDS Deutschland and Eurotrophy, represents a carefully engineered solution that enhances the Boxer's defensive capabilities without compromising its mobility, sensor visibility, or operational flexibility. The project involved the development of a specialized module to house the trophy system, ensuring that radar coverage and countermeasure launchers function optimally while leaving crew sightlines and vehicle systems unaffected. This achievement positions the Boxer as one of the first 8x8 platforms to feature a fully integrated APS, a system previously proven on heavier tracked vehicles such as main battle tanks. The testing and calibration process for the Boxer prototype demonstrated that the trophy system can operate safely and effectively on a wheeled chassis. Engineers completed extensive system-level trials to validate integration, including calibrating the radar and countermeasure launchers to ensure correct timing and interception logic. With these tests successfully concluded, the prototype is now set to undergo live-fire exercises in Germany, where it will face real-world munitions to assess its combat performance. These exercises are designed to generate data for tactical evaluations, refine operational doctrines, and ensure that the APS functions reliably in conditions representative of modern battlefield scenarios. By integrating Trophy directly into the factory configuration, Boxer operators can adopt the system without requiring extensive modifications to the base vehicle, streamlining procurement and deployment while minimizing operational risk. The Trophy APS itself represents a sophisticated combination of radar detection, automated targeting, and rapid response countermeasures. The system relies on the ELTA EL/M2133 radar, which employs 4 flat antennas arranged around the vehicle to provide nearly complete hemispherical coverage. Upon detecting an incoming threat, such as a rocket-propelled grenade, RPG, or anti-tank guided missile, the radar calculates the trajectory and time to impact. This data is then processed by a central computer, which automatically activates the appropriate countermeasure to intercept or neutralize the projectile before it can strike the vehicle. The APS deploys explosive projectiles from side-mounted launchers designed to disrupt the shaped charge or destroy the missile warhead at a safe distance. Crucially, this entire process is automated, requiring no manual intervention from the crew aside from system activation and deactivation, and it functions equally well when the vehicle is stationary or in motion. Beyond interception, Trophy provides valuable situational awareness by identifying the origin of incoming fire and sharing this information with other networked vehicles, enhancing coordinated defensive responses. Several versions of the system exist to accommodate different vehicle classes. The Trophy HV, intended for main battle tanks, weighs approximately 820 kilograms, while the Trophy MV or VPS suits medium-weight vehicles at around 480 kilograms. A lightweight variant, Trophy LV, is designed for vehicles under 8 tons and weighs roughly 200 kilograms. Despite differences in size and mounting requirements, all versions share the same radar architecture and operational logic, ensuring consistent performance across platforms. Software upgrades introduced in 2024 further expanded capabilities, allowing interception of top attack munitions and small drones without hardware modifications, enabling operators to enhance defensive coverage during routine maintenance cycles. Field reports indicate the system performs well against threats such as the Cornet anti-tank guided missile and RPG-29, although vulnerabilities persist against overhead attacks from drones, very close-range fire, or rapid successive strikes. The Boxer platform itself is particularly well suited to APS integration due to its modular design. The vehicle is built around a drive module and a separate mission module, which can be swapped in the field to configure the vehicle for various roles, including troop transport, command, medical support, fire support, or now active protection. The modular architecture allows operators to replace mission modules in approximately 1 hour under field conditions, while powertrain replacements, including the MTU engine and Allison transmission, can be completed in roughly 30 minutes. This flexibility, combined with ongoing upgrades from versions A0 to A3, ensures that Boxer maintains performance despite added weight from armor or specialized systems. The modular approach also simplifies the integration of complex subsystems like Trophy, demonstrating that wheeled vehicles can achieve survivability enhancements previously limited to tracked platforms. The Boxer family has become one of NATO's most widely deployed 8x8 vehicles, with confirmed deliveries and orders totaling around 1,866 units across Germany, the Netherlands, Lithuania, Australia, the United Kingdom, Ukraine, and Qatar. Production is managed by Artec GmbH under the oversight of Aker, with KNDS Deutschland and Rheinmetall providing design expertise and local assembly lines supporting international production. Since its inception in the 1990s as a multinational project between Germany and France, the Boxer program has expanded to include other NATO nations, resulting in a highly versatile platform capable of fulfilling multiple mission profiles. Over the decades, the Boxer has undergone extensive field testing, including operations in Afghanistan, which informed incremental improvements in armor protection, suspension systems, and drivetrain components. Operational configurations of the Boxer include armored personnel carrier variants capable of transporting up to 8 troops, infantry fighting vehicles with enhanced firepower, command posts, medical evacuation units, artillery support vehicles, and specialized reconnaissance or engineering variants. Weapon systems vary from remote-controlled turrets equipped with 7.62 mm or 12.7 mm machine guns to 30 mm autocannons, anti-tank guided missiles, and indirect fire support systems. Powered by a robust MTU diesel engine paired with an Allison automatic transmission, the Boxer can reach speeds exceeding 100 km per hour on roads and travel over 1,000 km without refueling, while suspension and drivetrain systems are engineered to accommodate additional weight without compromising mobility. The integration of Trophy APS illustrates how passive armor can be augmented with active systems to enhance vehicle survivability against contemporary threats, including RPGs, guided missiles, and airborne munitions. The addition of Trophy reflects broader trends in military vehicle design, where active protection systems are becoming essential for maintaining operational effectiveness on modern battlefields. Unlike traditional armor, which absorbs or deflects impacts, APS systems actively intercept incoming threats, significantly increasing crew survivability and reducing vehicle losses. By adapting proven technology from tracked vehicles to a wheeled platform, Germany is demonstrating that 8x8 vehicles can achieve a high degree of protection while maintaining the mobility and versatility required for rapid deployment, networked operations, and multi-role functionality. The Boxer's successful integration of Trophy underscores the potential for modular platforms to incorporate advanced defensive systems without extensive redesign, ensuring that future upgrades can be implemented efficiently in response to evolving threats. In conclusion, the Boxer 8x8 equipped with Trophy APS represents a remarkable advancement in armored vehicle protection. The project combines state-of-the-art radar and countermeasure technology with a flexible modular platform, delivering enhanced survivability against a wide range of threats. With field trials and live-fire testing scheduled, Germany is poised to validate the system's operational performance and develop doctrines that maximize its tactical utility. The Boxer's modularity, combined with the APS's automated defensive capabilities, illustrates a new standard in wheeled armored vehicles, ensuring that NATO forces have a versatile, highly survivable platform capable of responding to the complex challenges of modern combat. This achievement highlights how integration of advanced active protection systems can extend vehicle lifespans, improve crew safety, and maintain combat effectiveness against emerging threats from guided weapons and unmanned aerial systems.